To use Jeli's status page integration, what you'll do is you'll use /Jeli status page. This prompts open a modal to update the status page. You'll click next and you'll fill out info for your status page. So you can create a name. You can also choose what status the incident is in, what the impact is. I'm going to choose minor here. And you can write a message here as well. Video chats are down. We are working on a resolution. And then you can also include the affected components. So for this example, I'm just going to choose API. So then I'm going to click create. And what you'll see here is that a status page has been created. So you can click on that link and it will open a status page that looks like so. Individuals can subscribe to updates and get the latest status of the incident here. What you can also do is continue to update the status here within Jeli, and that will populate on the status page. So if we use /Jeli status page again, and we want to, let's say, update this, we have fixed the issue, everything works, for example. And this will let me deliver a notification to that status page. So I'm going to click yes. And I'm going to also change the incident status to resolved and click create. So a status page has been updated. And as you can see here, both of the statuses that I wrote within Jeli have appeared on the status page. The link to the status page will also appear in a broadcast channel, in a channel that you pick for those updates to occur in. So I hope this helps with learning how to use Jeli's status page integration. Let us know if you have any questions.